How to create Stripe account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through step by step on how you can create a Stripe account. Well, to do so, you can either head over to your web browser and head over to the official web portal, that is www.stripe.com, or you can get the application as well. Now here I'm on the web portal. Once you're on stripe.com, you should be able to get the option here, as you can see, start now option. So you can simply also tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on sign in. Once you're on sign in here, you should get the option to sign in. But if you haven't yet created the account, you can see the option to create account down below. You can also see the link to the application, but either ways, let's proceed to creating the account. Tap on create account and now it will ask you for email. So enter in your email, also enter in your full name and then create a password here. Once you have done so, simply tap on create account option and you should be able to get the verification code on your email and go through the prompts in order to activate your account. This is how you can easily create Stripe account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.